listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
We will start with the first of all bank-related transactions. When we go to the under the transaction bank, we will get a number of transactions here. The first one is check. Check is used basically for direct payment from the bank. Like there will be a note. Like first we will book something under some PayPal account. Then pay and check. Direct entry is used like it will run and one accounting effect will from the into the bank. GL. That can be any expense, real or any other. Chart of account GL. And normally the normal use case is further for paying the employees the advance, or we can play. We can also use to direct payment to employees or vendors if we are not using the accounts table. Let me pick employee here. You mean we will enter name it here, both will come in here. Employee will also come on, vendor name will also come in. I selected this Roger Brown. The use case of this is just like you're just writing the check. That's all. Just write the check to a vendor or an employee. We will go to the expense line, or we can select the item here also. Let me check which jail is available here. Under this, all jail will come. We can all type of jail accounts will come under this section. Let me check which we can use. Let's say something of the advanced later on. Also, there is no text implement implication. There is no text available in this transaction. Generally, the most common use case for this transaction is like that, only that if we are about to pay some advance to the vendor, or employee can use that transaction. We have some practice expenses also. Now it's being used there also to work in India. Like most of the organizations, do some small expenses, like something like 2000 Indian rupees or 3000. They had all my unique. Yes, but it has expenses. Which, like generally, which don't have any text, input, and other things. Like any different refreshment for client meetings or anything. All this transaction is used for that. The GL impact will be the direct expense to bank. Bank, and we just get the name then with the in the bank GL. Otherwise, there is no use of taking the name. We went when we take the dump of this particular GL account. We would like to know. This is spirit against this particular name. Let me enter one more entry letter to write check. Before that, I have to create one GL account. And once it's been, Now we have paid the advance to this employee. Now let's say the employee, submitted our expenses for the investment. Against it, and also how we will settle that. We will go to transactions. We will go to employee, then enter expense report. Enter expense report. Is that done? Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.